Setting up your Spectrum cable box to your TV is a simple process that can enhance your viewing experience. Start by gathering all necessary materials, including the Spectrum cable box, HDMI or component cables, coaxial cable, and remote control. Begin by connecting the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the cable in port on your cable box. Next, connect the HDMI cable from the cable box to an available HDMI port on your TV. If your TV doesn't support HDMI, use component cables instead. Once connected, plug in the power cord for the cable box and turn on both the TV and the cable box. Use your TV remote to select the correct input source, HDMI or component, so you can view content from your cable box. You may need to activate your cable box by following on-screen prompts or contacting Spectrum customer service for assistance. Finally, set up your remote control by inserting batteries and pairing it with the cable box. If you encounter any issues, check connections and ensure you've selected the right input source. With these steps, you'll be ready to enjoy your favorite shows in no time.